Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a network with 4 routers or more using the same configuration strategy. Here is the network we're going to configure. It contains 4 routers, 4 switches, and 4 PCs. If you don't know how to create and configure a network, you can check out the video here. Now let's start configuring the network, beginning with the first router. Go to the Config tab and select the first interface that connects the router to the switch. Enable the interface and assign it an IP address as shown in the example. Next, copy the router's IP address and go to the first PC. Open IP configuration, enter the router's IP address as the default gateway, and then assign the PC and IP address from the same network. Now, let's repeat the same configuration for the other routers and PCs, so follow along carefully. Now that we've finished configuring the connections between the routers and the PCs, let's configure the connectivity between the routers. Open the first router and select the serial interface that connects it to the second router. Enable the interface and assign it an IP address, as shown in the example. Next, go to the RIP configuration tab. Here, we need to add the network addresses directly connected to this router. Since this router is connected to 2 networks, we'll add both network addresses to the RIP configuration. Now, let's configure the second router. Open the first serial interface, which connects to the first router. Enable the interface and use an IP address from the same network as the first router, but change the host portion so that the IP address is different. Then select the second serial interface, which connects to the third router. Enable it and assign a new IP address from a different network. For RIP, we'll follow the same process as we did with the first router and add the directly connected network addresses. Now, repeat the exact same configuration for the third and fourth routers. Once all 4 routers have been configured, we're ready to test the connectivity between the different networks. Let's use the ping command to test the connection. Keep in mind that the first ping attempt may fail because of a short convergence delay, while the routers exchange their routing information. Simply send the ping again, and as you can see, the connection now works successfully. And that's it. Found this useful? Smash that subscribe button.